Okay, in this problem, we're still talking about that circuit from the last problem, and so that looked like this. And now we're assuming that this has been connected, so I took the switch out and just made it a wire, and it said, how long after the switch is closed will it take for the current to drop to half of its maximum value? So we're going to use a method where we're using ratios. So we're going to say Imax, the maximum value of the current, divided by I, the value that we have when it's 50%, is equal to 50%, so 0.5. And we know that I'll just write it up here, I in an RC circuit is equal to Imax times the exponential of e to the negative t over the time constant, which is sometimes called tau. And we can write that as Imax e to the negative t over RC. So RC is the time constant. So tau is equal to RC. And so let's figure out what RC is. So tau, the time constant, is equal to R, which is 5 ohms, times the capacitance, which is 1 farad. So tau is just going to equal 5. So if we plug that in here, we're going to have Imax over, now I is, I'm plugging in this for I. So I'm going to plug in Imax, oops, and then e to the negative t over 5. And that's going to equal to 0.5. And now I can cancel out my Imax's here, so I'm just left with the 1 here. And I know that 1 over e to the negative something, so t over 5, is the same as e to the t over 5. So this is the same as like 1 over x to the minus 1, right, is the same as x. So I'm going to plug that in. So I'm going to have e to the negative t over 5 is equal to 0.5. And now I'm trying to get that t out of the exponent here, or the exponential here. So I'm going to take the log. This should be a positive now. All right, so I'm going to take the log of e to the t over 5 is equal to the log of 0.5. And so when I take the log of the exponential, I just get the argument out. So t over 5 is equal to the log of 0.5. And then t then is equal to 5 times the log of 0.5. And when I solve that, I get t is equal to 3.94, or no, 3.49, I think. I'll stick a little 49 seconds, something like that. And so that looks like C. So my answer is going to be C.